Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do a very simple math problem and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So I want you to use your calculator and here is the problem. We have 2 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2 and plus 2. So what is the answer? Of course many of students like there, yes I can handle this. This is basic like multiplication, division, addition, so I can easily solve it. But a lot of students do this common mistake. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Right here we have A, B, C, so you can easily write your option down in a comment and in the end of the video we'll check our answer. I swear it will be really interesting, yeah? So obviously whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, yeah? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. Yeah, so we need to understand what is the correct order of operation. And then I show to my students, okay, PMDMC order, the main popular order in the world, and we need to think with this about this order. Yeah, so let's start with this order. So first of all, we need to look to parentheses right here. So do we have parentheses right here? No, I don't have any parentheses. I don't see any of those. We have only two, yeah? Only two, multiplication, addition, and division, yeah? So we just skip this part. We don't have parentheses, which is really great. And then I look to exponent part. So do we have any exponent right here? So I don't see any of those. We don't have exponent. We don't have 5 power, 4th power, 6th power, 10th power. Yeah, we don't have it. So we need to skip this part. So we just skip these first two steps, which is really great. So we don't need to work with these two steps. Then I just rewrite my problem. Yeah, so we have 2 plus 2. We have times 2, we have division by 2 and plus 2. I rewrite this problem right here because then we have multiplication, and moreover we have multiplication division part because this is like one group, yeah, and this is really important. So now we need to scan a division and multiplication part, okay? So we have addition, we skip this part, then we have multiplication, which is really great, but moreover we still have division. So we need to start with this multiplication and division part. Yeah, so it is really great. We need to start with this part, multiplication and division. And then I'm asking myself, which is first from left to right, yeah? So the first sign is multiplication, yeah, and then division. But moreover, I want to tell you a really interesting moment. If you have, for example, like division multiplication, you still need to look what is first from left to right, yeah. So then you need to start with division, yeah. So this is like division, multiplication, multiplication, division. You need to start with the first sign from left to right. Okay, let's start with this. So 2 times 2 equal to 4, and we still have 4 divided by 2. Yeah, which is equal to like 2, we know it, yeah? So we just do this part, multiplication and division part correctly. But we still have two numbers, so two values. So the first one, from the end we have plus 2, and the second 2 plus from the beginning, yeah? And this is our last part, addition and subtraction. We don't have subtraction, so this is like a simple addition right here. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. And our answer is option C is our correct answer. A lot of students do this common mistake. They start with addition, then they go with multiplication and division. They go from left to right, but you need to know the correct order of operation. Yeah, so definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. Now if you need to learn basic math, interesting brain test, IQ question, you can easily subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it and I try to help you, yeah? I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventures. Thank you for your time and have a great day.